everybody. I just thought I would pop on today and show you guys how to do homemade granola bars in our snack bar maker. So it's made out of silicone and it is good in the oven up to 450 degrees. So pretty hot. You can stick it in the dishwasher. And if you get the snack bar set, it comes with this. It comes with the nylon spatula, which is also good to 435 degrees. Hey, Joe! See, and then the snack bar maker also comes with a lid, so you can go ahead and pop it on here and store it. So there's that. So I have everything somewhat prepped over here. This is our classic batter bowl, and it comes with a lid for easy storage. The bowl and the lid are both microwave safe, freezer safe, and dishwasher safe. These are pretty sweet. They've got the measurings on both sides. This side's milliliters, and the other side is for cups. And this one is an 8-cup bowl. So I've got my old-fashioned oats. There's about 1.5 cups of that in here. And then I have 1 tablespoon of oil. I'll need to add another one here. And then I've got semi-sweet chocolate chips. I've got, let's see, walnuts and cranberries that are chopped up as I pour it on my stove. Chopped up and put in this bowl. Okay, so this right here, this is our measure-all. And this thing is sweet. So the one side down here, if I could flip it over, is your liquid side. And then this side is for the solids. And so you'll see how it gets used here in just a moment. And we need about 1/4 cup of honey. So that is what is in here. Let me see. There we go. That way I can see what you guys can see. So I'll just pour it in and just push this down. And it takes out all of that delicious honey. And I've got one of our spatulas here too. These are really nice spatulas. They don't stain. A lot of times I'll use these when I do my like spaghetti sauce and stuff, and my other spatulas are just left red until I wash them for a certain number of times. Okay. So like I said earlier, I have 1 tablespoon of oil already in here. You can do either oil or honey, or oil or butter. And so I have 1 tablespoon in here, so I'm going to go ahead and add another. And I'm using one of our measuring spoons. These are really nice because they'll actually lay flat on your countertop. They're not going to tip, so you don't have to worry about that. Some of the others that I have, they tip. They don't lay flat on the counter. So just going ahead and mixing this in. And now I'm going to add, let's see, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. So this is our mini measure-all. Super cute. There's also a petite size too. So just go ahead and, oh, came right out for me. Quick and easy. All right. So yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and mix this together. There was a fire here in town yesterday, right up Fremont Lake Road, so right here in town. And it was pretty smoky yesterday, so all of our allergies are just going nuts. They were able to get it contained, which is good. But I'm definitely ready for fire season to be over. Okay, so I'm going to slide this over. Here we go. Hey, Liz. So this is what, see if I can do it without pouring it all out this time. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put it right down into our little snack bar maker. So once I get all of these in here and all cleaned up, it'll go in the oven at 350 degrees for 14 to 18 minutes. And then you just take it out, let it cool, and then you have homemade granola bars. So, Liz, I heard that Corey was heading out to the car fire. Did you know that it's super smoky here, but a lot of the smoke that we have here is from the car fire? So, that is crazy to me. Yeah, so let's see. How many bars does this make? 2, 4, 6, 8. So it makes 12 granola bars. So a pretty decent amount. And yeah, so you can go ahead and you can store it right in the snack bar maker, or you can take them out and put them in little Ziploc baggies or whatever for your kids' lunches, for yourself, for your husband, whatever. Granola bars are really good to have. And you don't have to use the chocolates and the cranberries and the walnuts. You can substitute that for any type of chopped nuts, dried fruit, chocolates. Let's see, this also says you can do crushed cereal, pretzels, or coconut. So really whatever you want, and what you do is you just chop up enough to make 1 cup of everything, and then you just add it right in. So once I get these scooped in here, I'm going to press them down into the snack bar maker. That way everything's nice and combined. And you don't have to put these in the oven either. There's also a no-bake version of these. The no-bake version just requires you to put this on the stove, and I did not feel like doing that. Yeah, they're super easy to make. I've actually done cereal bars in these too, and you can do like multi-grain cereal, and you can just do like yogurt bites with them. You can do chocolates with them, and same thing, any type of freeze-dried fruit you can add to those too. And you just mix it all in. Make sure you add honey and peanut butter to the cereal bars, and then you just let it sit either in the freezer for 10 minutes or in the refrigerator until they have kind of set well enough. Yes, you can freeze these and thaw them later. Yep. I haven't done that yet. This is my first time making these. So maybe I'll freeze a couple and see how they taste and see like a duration as to how long you want to keep them frozen, or once they've thawed out, how long you want to eat them in between. But yeah, so super easy. Like I said, you can stick this snack bar maker right in the dishwasher. But it's all made of silicone, so even if you don't have a dishwasher, they're pretty easy to clean. Just hot soap and hot water and some soap. So I'm just pressing these down in here. And of course, I have to make a mess, and it's gonna bother me. So I have to take everything out that isn't in the little bars. Okay. Yeah, so I think that is it. I'll let you guys see real quick. I'll flip my camera around so you can see everything in the snack bar maker. So the snack bar maker, you can buy just the snack bar maker, which is just the silicone bottom and the lid. I don't remember, let me look how much that one is. I think that one might be like $20. But if you get the snack bar maker set, it just adds this nice nylon spatula, which is the perfect size to get these out. And that is $24.50. So just the set is $24.50. Just the lid and the bottom silicone piece is $22.50. So I think it's definitely worth getting the whole set to get that spatula. So let me put this around. Here we go. So that's what they look like in here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to toss these in the oven for about 15 minutes, see if they're done. You pretty much just cook them until the old-fashioned oats have browned. And then you just let them set for about 5 minutes, let them cool off. And that's about it. So I'll post a picture once they're done and let you guys know how they are. Okay, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. All right, guys, it's good. Well, not really seeing you guys, but good talking to you both. All right, we'll talk soon. Bye, guys.